Hey, what do we say to mom and dad? Welcome back. Okay, clap one time. Get ready. Classroom number one. Eyes on the stop. Let's do it together. Clap one time. Get ready. Classroom rule number one. Eyes on the teacher. Clap two times. Get ready. Classroom rule number two. Mouth. Clap three times. Get ready. Classroom rule number three. Body still. Crisscross. Clap four times. Get ready. One, two, three, four. Again. One, two, three, four. Classroom rule number four. Hands free. Clap five times. Get ready. One, two, three, four, five. Stop. Who's making that noise? Let's try it again. Five times. Get ready. One, two, three, four, five. Again. One, two, three, four, five. Classroom rule number five. Ears are listening. What are we saying, Katie? Welcome back, Katie. Okay, ready? Everyone say my school promise. May, look over here, May. Everyone say my. Elena Rain over here. My school promise. Each day I'll do my best. And I won't do any less. Elena Rain, go pick up one stick. Go pick up one. Try again. Everyone say my school promise. Each day I'll do my best. And I won't do any less. My work will always please me. I don't hear your steps on. Will always please me. And I won't accept a mess. Ivana, you go next to James. I'll color very carefully. My writing will be neat. I simply won't be happy till my papers are complete. I'll always do my homework and I'll try on every test. Elena Rain Crisscross. I won't forget my promise to do my very best. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, everyone say KRF1D. I know and can name the letters of the alphabet. Say A, A, let me see your hand in the air. Apple. Everyone say letter B, D. Who is talking when the child is teaching? Go take that one stick right now. That's very rude. Everyone say letter B. Letter B. Let me see your B hand. What sound does B make? B. Everyone say baby. Again, everyone say letter B. Letter B. B. Baby. Are we babies? No. Are we big boys and big girls? Yeah. Look over here, friends. Everyone say letter C. Letter C. Let me see your C hand. What sound does letter C make? Again, what sound? As in cookie. Everyone say letter D. Letter D. Let me see your D hand. What sound does D make? Duh. Again, what sound? Duh. Is it duh, 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 duh? No. Everyone say duh. Duh. Dull. Okay. Everyone say letter E. E. Elbow. Everyone say letter E. E. Ear. So the letter E is a special letter. It makes two sounds. How many sounds? Two. It makes the F as an elbow sound, and it makes the E as an ear sound. Everyone say letter F. Letter F. Let me see your F hand. I don't see Princess left hand and it says on. Let me see your hand like this. What letter? F. What sound does F make? Again, what sound? I don't see me. your hands in the air. Read. What sound does F make? As in flower. Okay, let's try it again. Have yourself crisscross applesauce. Everyone say A. A. F. Apple. B. B. Your B hand. What sound does B make? B. Baby. Who's saying blah, 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 blah? Look at what watch the play now. We're playing around. Everyone say B. B. Buck. Baby. Is it blah, 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 blah? No. Is it buck? Yeah. Everyone say C. C. Let me see a C hand in the song. What sound does C make? Cup. Again, what sound? Cup. As in cookie. Everyone say letter D. Let me see your D hand. The crisscross applesauce. Ansel, crisscross. What sound does D make? Duck. What sound? Duck. As in dog. As in donkey. Everyone say letter E. Friends, look here. Everyone say E. S. Elbow. So the letter E makes how many sounds? Two. Short E. And as in elbow. Long E. E as in ear. And the last letter, what letter? F. Everyone say F. F. Let me see your F hand. Friends, where's your left hand? Your F hand. Hold on, friends. What sound does F make? F in flower. Practice your letters with mom and dad. Do you understand? Clap 3 times. Get ready to go. Put together again. Get ready to go. 1, 2. Everyone say body still. Everyone say eyes open. Ears open. Hold my arm. And listen. Okay, everybody now. Let me see who's ready. Everyone say K. R. I. 5. Everyone say KRI5. I can name the part of a book. Okay, let's hold this part again. Clear. Everyone say front cover. Again, front cover. Okay, we turn to the back, and what do we call this part here? Again, what do we call the part that holds all the pages together? Bind. Again. So do we have to learn the parts of the book? Boys and girls, that's going to be part of our test coming up, okay? Everyone say front cover. Back cover. Spine. All right. Okay, so the title, the name of this story is Atlantic. What is the name? Atlantic. Yes, everyone say Atlantic. What letters do you see? Letter What sound does it make? As in Atlantic. Everyone say Atlantic. So what's the first sound you hear? As in Atlantic. Crisscross. Okay, the person who wrote the story, that person's name is G. Brian Harris. What's his name? G. Brian Harris. He is the author of this book. Everyone say the author? Writes the story. Please look here. Number 1, ISO teacher. Everyone say the author's job is to write the story. So the author's name is G. Brian Harris. What's his name? Who is he? Is he the person who wrote the story? Is he the person who wrote the words? Everyone say the author writes the words. Okay. So the title of this book is Atlantic. What's the name of the book? Everyone say letter A. T. L. A. N. T. I. C. Atlantic. Are we learning the letter A? Everyone say Atlantic. Let's see who's ready for the story. is this the correct way to turn the page? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to read it. Let me see who's a good listener. I am the Atlantic Ocean. We start here?
Yes.
So when we read, do we start from the first word I?
Yes.
I am the Atlantic Ocean. What do you see? Atlantic Ocean. Everyone say Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean.
I don't see your hands. Everyone say Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean.
Yes, I am the Atlantic Ocean. Oh, look at this. Ready?
Yes.
I begin where the land runs out at the end of yards and streets and hills. Everyone say, I begin where the land runs out at the end of yards and streets and hills. Alina Rain, pay attention. I begin where the land runs out at the end of yards and streets and hills. Do you think this is one of the characters?
Yes.
Crisscross, applesauce, Alina Rain. Characters can be what? People or animals. So when I'm done reading this, where do I go? The next page. And do I start reading here?
Yes.
Or do I start reading here? Where do I start reading? Here?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, my turn. I am the blue water at the beach. The waves, mist, and storms. That salty smell is me too. Everyone say Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean.
Everyone say A. A. Raise your A hand. Everyone say A. Atlantic Ocean. I am the blue. Everyone say blue. Water at the beach. The waves, mist, and storms. That salty smell is me too. So when I'm done reading this, where do I go? The next page. This is going to be part of our test coming up, okay? My turn. I stretch from the icy falls, north and south. Everyone say north, south, north, south. I stretch from the icy poles, north and south. I rub shoulders with North America and bump into Africa. I slosh around South America and crash into Europe. Is this the ocean? What kind of ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Everyone say Atlantic Ocean. The letter A. What sound does A make? For Atlantic Ocean. But I don't end there. The Pacific and the Indian, Arctic and Antarctic are my relatives. We are one big family. My water doesn't stay in just one place. It travels from continent to continent. Everyone say continent. Do you hear the cut in continent? Oh gosh, I need to take a little stick out. Somebody's not paying attention. Do we want to end up zero? Okay, everyone say my water doesn't stay in one place. It travels from continent to continent. So that iceberg floating past someone's window, one day will sometime find itself flapping at your toes on a warm sandy beach. Everyone say next page. My fingers stretch out. Are they talking about the ocean? What kind of ocean? Atlantic Ocean. My fingers stretch out. Bays and inlets reach far into the land. Gulf, seas, sounds, and channels be to me and into me. They are me. Everyone say Atlantic Ocean. So what letter does it start with? A. What is the short A sound? And. Uh-oh. Clap 3 times. Body still. Okay, still. Crisscross applesauce. I am here day and night, heaving, raging, lying still, scraping away at some land and putting it someplace else. Bit by bit, my shape changes as it has for ages, sometimes growing, sometimes shrinking, never staying still. Everyone say body still.
Body still.
The sun, so many millions of miles away, heats my water, which turns into clouds and storms that rain into me. And it starts all over again. So what are we talking about? Atlantic Ocean. The moon, do you see the moon?
Yes.
The moon, so far out of space, pulls at me and then lets go. So my tides go in and out, ebb and flood. Everyone say next page. First I was discovered, even though I was here first, and then conquered by men in big ships who named me. Everyone say Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean.
I've been crossed and probed, target studied, dirty. Everyone say next page.
Next page.
Fishermen know me. They know my oyster beds and seek out my schools of fish. Uh-oh. Go take out one stick. We're playing around. With hooks and nets, long lines and traps. Is this the Atlantic Ocean?
Yes.
Look over here. Number 1, I'm some teacher. Artists paint pictures of me with cerulean, cobalt, and ultramarine. And poets know me with their beautiful words. What are we talking about? Atlantic Ocean. Is this an ocean?
Yes.
Friends, look over here. The dancing shadow of your airplane skips over wave over wave. With dolphins, sing and race. With skates and whales and fish that fly. Do you see the dolphin?
Yes.
Do you see the whale?
Yes.
Wow. Where are they? In the Atlantic Ocean.
Ocean.
So the setting. Everyone say the setting tells us where the story happens. So where is it happening at? In the ocean. What kind of ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Seagulls sing to me. Sand and pebbles rattle and clatter a chorus as I rush in and pull away. Everyone say next page.
Next page.
My words crash and whisper in your ear. Don't forget I am here. Everyone say Atlantic Ocean. Everyone say I am
I am
the Atlantic Ocean.
the Atlantic Ocean.
And so just press enter. Everyone say the end.
The end.
Say quietly. Go to the camera so mom and dad say